Shri RLD College of Science, Akola Department of Chemistry. My name is Komal Suresh Shingde. My topic name is Antipyretic and Analgesic. Antipyretic. It is basically an agent that reduces fever. In Greek, anti means against and pyretes means pretending to fever. The drug which lower the raised body temperature and bring it to normal are called antipyretic. जो ड्रग बॉडी का टेम्परेचर नॉर्मल करता है उसे एंटी क्लासिफिकेशन सैलिसिलेट एंड देयर कोजीन्स एस्पिरिन पैराअमाइनोफिनॉल डेरिवेटिव इज फिनासिटिन एंड पैराजोलैन डेरिवेटिव एंटीपायरिन एस्पिरिन it is colorless odorless crystalline powder. It is soluble in water, alcohol and chloroform and ether. It is stable in dry air but gradually hydrolyzes in contact with moisture to acetic acid and salicylic acid. It also gets decomposed by alkali hydroxides and carbonates. These are also called as non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. Structure and name. Drug name is aspirin. IPC name is 2-acetoxybenzoic acid, 2-acetyl salicylic acid. Phenacetin. It is an effective analgesic and antipyretic with an activity similar that of aspirin but has no anti-inflammatory action. Phenacetin causes methemoglobinemia. It is blood disorder in which an abnormal amount of methemoglobin is produced. Long-term use of phenacetin leads to toxic manifestation of renal papillary nervosis. Due to severe toxic effect, phenacetin has now been withdrawn from clinical practice. Definition. The drugs which reduce the pain sensation are called as analgesics. They are also known as painkiller or pain relievers. Analgesics can be broadly classified into two groups. One is narcotic analgesic and the second one is non-narcotic analgesic. First one, narcotic analgesic. A substance used to treat moderate to severe pain. Narcotics are like opiates such as morphine and codeine but are not made from opium. They bind to opioid receptors in the central nervous system. Morphine belongs to the group of medicines called narcotics analgesics, pain medicines. It acts on the central nervous systems to relieve pain. Morphine is obtained from the seed pod extract or opium found in the papaver plant, Papaver somniferum. This medication used to treat severe pain. Morphine belongs to class of drugs known as opioid analgesics. The drug comes from the opium poppy, a flower that grows in Asia, Mexico, and South America. Pure heroin has the consistency of white powder. Non-narcotic analgesics are medication used to control pain and inflammation. Non-narcotic analgesics do not bind to opiate receptors. Ibuprofen is used to relieve pain from various conditions such as headache, dental pain, menstrual cramps, muscle ache, or arthritis. The original synthesis of ibuprofen by the Boots group started with the compound 2-methylpropylbenzene. The synthesis took 6 steps. Acetaminophen, also called N-acetyl para-aminophenol or paracetamol, is one of acetaminophen blocks the chemical released by nerve ending sent to the brain. This action temporarily reduces the amount of pain you experience. Conclusion. These drugs are distinct from anesthetic drugs.